Hello, today we are here to explain how to use Sci-Fi door pack. It's really easy. You can easily copy it or just open the Unreal Engine project. Press add and here add the feature third person character. The first thing we need to do is create a boolean variable. Let's name it Keycard and make it editable. You can do this by pressing the checkbox or simply selecting the option to make it an array. Compile the changes and then add 2 array elements. After that, compile it again. This process is the same in Unreal Engine 4 as it was in Unreal Engine 5. Next, create a third-person character, open it, and add a variable named Keycard. Ensure it's editable and an array. Then compile it and add 2 array elements. Compile it once more, and now you can start your game. Let's begin by exploring the overview map. In this level, we have lots of assets and blueprints. First, take a look at the textures. These are 2K textures. To change this, open the texture folder, select all the textures, go to the asset action, then edit selection and properties, and change the compression to 2K. Save the changes to see the actual quality of the textures. I set them to 1K for compression purposes, but since the textures are made in 2K, you can easily switch them back. Please don't set them to 4K as they are only made in 2K. Moving on to other assets, we have a modular environment here that you can fully customize for your project. There are also 3 high quality lamps available for use. We have divided the static meshes from the skeleton mesh, allowing you to use them easily in your projects. For example, the door frame can be used separately. Let's go to the demo level. You can open it and let's jump to the horizontal door. When you approach the door, an animation will play. And pressing E will bring up a password panel. The default password is 1352. So how does the door work? Widget Blueprint password panel, horizontal door. Open it, go to the graph, and you will see a delay node. Change this delay to 1 second. The door will close 1 second after entering the code. I set it to 5 seconds as a default. Next, let's look at the console A blueprints. When you approach, a widget will light up. You can enter the code to open the door. Pressing it again will close the door. In Console A, you will find another set of blueprints. To change the code, go to the Widget Blueprint Password panel. Open the graph and you will see all the doors listed. And change the password to 1234. Let's jump back into the map. For a two-sided vertical door A, if you press 1352 and hit enter, you will get an error because the password has changed to 1234. Now the door will open. Another feature you can customize is the material. Go into the material for each door, open it, and you will find a checkbox for color. By checking it, you can change the color to whatever you like. The material used is a dynamic mask, so parts of the door, like the silver areas, will remain unaffected, giving it a really polished look. Moving on. If you press E, you will prompt to find a keycard. There are two keycards available. And they are highlighted with a material that I'll explain it later. If you pick up the right keycard, you will prompt to find the correct one. Once you find the right keycard, the door will open and close for you. When you press Blueprint Console B and here in a value, if you change it to 1, it will work with Blueprint Keycard A, and if you change it to 2, it will work with Blueprint Keycard B. You can easily target the console B to each door that you want. Easily just open the console B blueprint and then you can connect the E keyboard button to each door that you want. Let me show you how the ground doors work. When you approach it and press F, the door will open, press F again, and it will close. There are 3 types of blueprint for the doors: password panel, keycard, and manual operation. But how about the sounds? Just drag and drop your sound into it. Open the Blueprint Console B. Drag and drop the sounds file to the appropriate notes. Compile. And now you'll hear the sounds in your game. Before wrapping up, I want to show you the highlight keycard. It works with post-process volume. Be sure that it's unbound and then search the materials in your post-process and add your material to it. If you want to highlight an object, go to the blueprint, select the static mesh and search for Render Costume Depth Pass. Uncheck this box and the object won't be highlighted. To highlight it again, check the box. This method works for meshes within Blueprint. For meshes outside of the Blueprint, manually search and check this box to highlight them. Lastly, for those using Unreal Engine 4, the Sci-Fi door pack also works great. Open the pack and everything should work smoothly. One more thing, if you want to change the mouse cursor, go to Edit Project Setting, search for Cursor, and add elements to the Software Cursor list. You can choose one of the widget blueprint cursors 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 depending on your preferences. After making your selection, go to the map, press E, and you're all set. Also, if you want to change a widget, it's really simple because we have made all the buttons of the keyboard. You can change its letter and also the widgets. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. We are here, Enigma Studio.